Hey guys, how many of you would love to learn how to tie a tie in less than a minute? Well, then stick around because you're about to find out. Better make that 2 minutes. While many of us have jobs that don't necessarily require us to wear a tie every day, there are still occasions like weddings, funerals, job interviews, where a tie proves to be the correct attire. And trust me, as a man, the last thing you want to be doing is running around at the last minute saying, will you tie my tie for me? Well, if that's you, pay close attention because you're about to find out how to tie a tie in 5 quick and easy steps. Let's do it. Step number 1, place the tie around your neck so that the wide end is longer than the short end. Step number 2, cross the wide end over the narrow end and bring it behind and back to where it started. Step number 3, wrap it around front again and take it behind. Step number 4, bring it up through the neck opening. And step number 5, bring it through the loop in the front and adjust by pulling on the wide end while holding the knot until you're happy with the way it looks. And there you have it. Not too hard, is it? Well, that being said, let me share a couple little tips with you. Beginning placement is key. If you're too long on the short side, your tie is going to end up being really short, and you're going to have the short end being really long at the bottom. It's going to look something like this. And that's not good. If your tie is too long on the thick side, like this, and then you tie your tie is going to be way too long when you get done with it. It's going to go way down below your belt line and look like this. It'll look like a clown, and that's not good either. So you want to make sure that you get just the appropriate length, a little longer on the right, on the thick side, bring it around and make it just right so that the thin side does not stick out at the bottom and that the tie is just about the right length. It should fit through your little loop in the back like this. There you go, perfect tie. Speaking of the proper length, here's another tip. As a general rule, the tie should come down just about to where the belt begins here. The thickest part of your tie should go right over the top. The point of the tie right in the middle of the belt buckle, right about there, is about the perfect length for a tie. Here's another little tip. When you bring your collar down over the top of the tie, you want to make sure that the tie is not sticking out in the back, like this. See, that's not good. Always reach back, make sure it's tucked under so that it's completely hidden, like that. Always, always double check. And finally, one last tip. If you ever go to an event and you're just not quite sure whether you should wear a tie or not, always wear the tie. It's better to be overdressed than underdressed. You can always take the tie off. Or you can do what I like to do. I like to always be prepared with an earbud and a pair of sunglasses. That way, I look like a secret agent.